Hello and welcome to Control-Delete Tutorials. My name is Jason and this isn't a tutorial. I'm really looking forward to the new Smash Ultimate that's coming out December 7th. And I thought I'd make a video that's a little bit different because I've gone to the website and I was looking around at content the other night after the Nintendo Direct didn't go out. And I think you'll notice as I kind of scroll down through here, we see here that we have Shadow being shown as an Echo Fighter for Sonic. And what was the other one I saw? Yeah, and then down at the bottom we have Geno and Skull Kid. I thought there was another one that I saw. Maybe that one wasn't on here anymore. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of interesting that these were up. And then I don't know if that's by mistake or what, if that was going to be something that was going to be on the Direct. But yeah, so I thought that would be something cool to show. I am thinking about starting a CtrlAultDelGaming page. Channel, sorry, and I thought it might be fun to kind of show myself playing. I tried years ago to start a gaming channel and just didn't have much success, but I thought I would just do something a little bit different, showing some Smash Ultimate content, because I really do like it. I myself, I mean Mega Man, but I'm definitely looking forward to checking out Simon Belmont and Richter. Grew up with them. Geno, I'm really excited about. Skull Kid, I don't really know what the deal is with Skull Kid. I played Majora's Mask, I like it just fine, but I'm definitely a really big fan of the Castlevania series and a huge fan of Super Mario RPG. I thought it'd be really cool if we got Geno and Mallow, but you know, I'm really excited to see that we're getting Geno. But if you guys think it would be really cool for me to start a CtrlAultDelGaming, and if you're kind of checking out this video, this is just a tutorial channel where I show how to do different game design stuff. And if that's something you think you'd really like to check out, then by all means, check out my videos. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know if you would like to see me maybe start doing some gameplay stuff in Smash Ultimate when it comes out. I'll have to get a capture card and do that. But anyway, thanks for watching.